Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we will learn Hello World in Python. We will use the print function to print out our message to the command line. So this method can be done in your command line, or you can use your favorite code editing tools. I will show you in the command line first. You can call cmd, start a command line, and then you call Python, and then you can start printing some things. Here you can print hello world in a command line, but I want to share you about using VS Code, so I will use VS Code for this. So the simple one would be hello world. Okay, so the first one you use we will print hello world here. To run this file, you press F5. Okay, you can see hello world here. To run this file, you can simply press F5. Here you can see hello world here. So there are some more about printing, so I will share you about it as well. Okay, so the first thing, we can combine text. Use print hello, and then we plus sign with space and then world. So we will print hello and your second text and the third text. Here you can see we have hello and space and world. We can also print the number. You can see that we have 30 here. We can also print number and text together. For the first one, print hello and plus. So str is to convert this number into string. So when you run, you get this one. Then you can try this way. You use comma and then your number. Here it's auto add space for you, but you can change it to something like here is changed to underscore. So this one is called separators. You can use it to separate your input. You can use separators to separate your input as you like. And the next one is print to the same line. Okay, it will be like your progress update for file downloading or something like this. You will not see any change, so we have to add sleep. then we print again. You see 10, 29, 40, 56 and 100. That's all for printing. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy the video. Thank you for watching.